Good morning, and thank you for coming back to Photo Finish Garage. I actually want to make a quick video that shows you how to remove an ignition switch from a Mercedes-Benz Metris. This is a 2020. This is 2020. Should be the same all the way up through 2025. Essentially, the issue I'm having, let's see if it'll work here. Now I'm not getting any power. But before, when you turn the switch and you turn to start it, it was a delay. It wasn't working. So I'm actually going to be removing this ignition module. First step, there's a protective ring here. On some of the older Mercedes models, this actually acts as a lock and twists out. On this model, it's not a twist. It actually snaps in around it. So just be careful with prying it out. As you can see, I damaged two sides of mine. I also removed the radio here in the center console. This comes out, it's just a bunch of clips around the edge, and I just used a regular trim tool, pry it around the edge to remove it, and then I disconnected the two connectors here to the climate control and to the hazard switch. But I wanted to show this because since this isn't a key, when you remove that trim ring, it doesn't actually push this in. There's two clips in here that you have to release. One of them, get my lighting in here. Hang on. One of them's right here, and the other is on the opposite side. I don't know if I'm really able to record, but essentially you're going to be releasing this side, and then you'll be putting your hand across the other side here, pulling down on that. Alright, and then it comes out. So I can show you. See if I can get a picture of the back side. You had one there, and the other one should be right over here somewhere. Can't really see, but it's two clips, and then from here you just unplug it out, and that's your part number. If you need to replace it, this item does need to be recoated if you do go to the dealer. What I'm going to do is actually open this up and use compressed air to blow out the dust that gets caught between the laser. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. Thank you so much for watching.